If you're looking for a functional vehicle with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus in granite crystal. With automatic headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, chrome stow-in-place roof rack, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Blu-ray and DVD player, heated second row seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5665A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.